I spent a lot of money on this pile of junk.
Wait a minute!
And it gave up on me after the second attempt running it. So I decided to get the Radley Lawnmower combo. I'm going to unbox this. Let's see what we have inside. What's in this package? We have the cordless battery operated lawnmower, the cordless battery operated trimmer, and the cordless battery operated leaf blower. And we have some garden tools as well. We will see that pretty soon. Yeah. So let's get this started. First start by getting this off. Second part is off. So now let's unbox this guy. Alright, let's assemble this guy right here. This is the bag for the lawnmower. Then we have some tools here. I have no idea, but we'll figure out very soon. Box with the charger. Another box with the first set of battery. And the second pack. Then the mower handle. And the mower itself. Now let's bring it out. Very excited to try this mower. I hope it does the job. Then in this box, have our trimmer. I believe this is for the leaf blower. And these are the garden tools. The hose for the leaf blower. Okay, so that's all. let's check what we have in the manual and assemble this up. Okay. On the first page here, we have the safety warnings, the lawnmower safety. Then the battery pack and battery pack safety. We have recycling and disposal, and some safety symbols we need to know. And how to assemble the lawnmower. So we are going to do just that in few seconds here. Hopefully it's going to be simple, and I'll let you guys know what the experience was like assembling it. I'm going to start assembling the lawnmower, and I will start with the lower handlebar. So on the instruction here, it's saying I should align the mounting hole of the lower handlebar with the bolt of handle support. So let's see if we can do that, if I can do that. Now to the second part, I will attach the upper handlebar. It's saying align the upper handlebar to the lower handlebar and ensure the foam handle is pointed up when viewed from behind. Okay. It's coming out pretty well. Now to step 3, we have to attach the grass catcher. This is the grass catcher and I'm going to attach it to our lawnmower. I need my screwdriver because I have to fix this handle as per the instruction. With my star screwdriver, I'll unscrew this screw and this one. Have the grass catcher ready to go. And let's see how we can attach it to the lawnmower. That has been attached. And our lawnmower is almost good to go. The lawnmower is ready and good to go. I will unpack the battery, charge it, and test it, and let you guys know what I think about our cordless battery operated Radley lawnmower. Unboxing the battery pack. This is the first battery. It's a 20 volt lithium ion battery. This is the first one. And the second one, also a 20 volt battery pack. So in total 40 volts. And the charger is in this box. So I'm going to charge the batteries and then we can test our lawnmower.
So that's the charger charge just one battery at a time, or
it charges both.
So you can charge both at once?
At the same time, yes.
And
that's correct.
How do you know if it's charging, if it's charged? How long does it take to charge? Is it in the manual?
Yes, the instruction should be in the manual. How to check if the battery pack is fully charged or not. You press this button right here, and if it lights up 3 lights, it means the battery pack is fully charged. If you see 2 lights, that is the red and the orange one, it means it is somewhat charged, it's not fully charged. And if it's just 1 light, which is the red, it means your battery is low, so you need to charge it. Okay, so as we can see here, this pack is fully charged because we have all 3 lights. And the second pack is fully charged as well. So we'll insert them into my lawnmower and then we'll try the lawnmower out. Because our grass is tall, we will first use the trimmer to trim our grass. And I'm going to fix the battery since it's fully charged and we don't need to charge it again. I'm going to fix it here on the trimmer and we'll test the trimmer and see how well it works.